If you've been wanting to sell on TikTok using your Shopify store, but the setup feels confusing, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to connect Shopify to TikTok Shop. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and whether you're a beginner or already running an online store, you'll be able to follow along without any issues. So let's get you selling on TikTok the right way. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. On the bottom left corner, you'll see settings. Click on that. Inside the settings menu, look for apps and sales channels. This is where you manage all your integrations, and it's exactly where we'll connect Shopify with TikTok Shop next. Click on Shopify App Store. Once the App Store opens, go to the search bar at the top and type TikTok. Look for the official TikTok app. Make sure it's the verified one from TikTok. When you find it, click on it to open the app page. Now click Install. Shopify will ask you to confirm the installation, so just approve it. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in using your TikTok account. Enter your login details, then grant the necessary permissions. These permissions allow TikTok to sync your products, track sales, and run ads properly, so make sure you allow all required access. Once the installation is complete, click Setup Now. TikTok will walk you through a quick setup process where you'll connect your TikTok shop, make sure to fill out your store information accurately, and if you plan to run ads, enter your advertising details as well. This ensures your account functions smoothly and your store is ready for selling. When everything is filled out, hit Finish Setup. And that's it. Your TikTok shop is now officially connected to Shopify. From here, your products, inventory, orders, and customer data will sync automatically between both platforms, making your workflow seamless and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Shopify and TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.